How to use DeepSeek AI. Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorials Point. Today in this video, I will guide you on how to use DeepSeek AI. So now let's get started. First of all, launch the DeepSeek application on your mobile device. Now here, create an account or login if you already have one. To sign up, all you need to do is enter your email address, then confirm your password and enter the code. Now here, upload or input your data for analysis. This could be documents, texts, or other supported files. DeepSeek AI helps you search through large datasets quickly, pulling out insights or specific information. You can also use filters to refine your search results based on keywords, date, or other criteria. The AI also analyzes and provides context to help you understand the relevance of data points. You can also review the results or integrate it into your projects for further use. So this is how to use DeepSeek AI. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.